Meaning of fanboy.
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 Fanboy. Fanboy is a term used to describe someone who is an extremely devoted fan of a particular product, brand, or franchise. These individuals are often passionate and enthusiastic about their chosen subject, and may go to great lengths to defend it or promote it to others. While the term can be used in a positive or neutral sense, it often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the fan's loyalty is blind or irrational. Overall, a fanboy is someone who takes their fandom to an extreme level and prioritizes it over other aspects of their life.